Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrea here from Northern Viking Explorer. We are here in Niagara Falls, Canada. We're gonna go on the Voyage to the falls on the Hornblower boat. It's similar to the Maid of the Mist and what you might see on the US side. It's the boat that goes up to Horseshoe Falls here in Niagara Falls. So check it out. So there's the Hornblower right there. Let's go check that out right now.
Niagara City Cruises is located right by the zip line, and when you get here, you can purchase your tickets in US funds or Canadian funds.
And if you are interested in this, we will put a link below in the description to their website. The pricing when we were here was $31.25 for adults, $21.25 for children, and infants were free. Let's head on down the elevator, which is super convenient that we don't have to walk down there to the bottom. They have complimentary Wi-Fi and they have stroller parking. There's restaurants down here as well as restrooms. On your way to the boat, they will pass you a red poncho. The Canadians get red ponchos on the Canadian side. The Americans get blue ponchos for the Maid of the Mist. This is going to be a ton of fun. We're excited. This is absolutely amazing. There's so much power in the water here. We're soaked. Drenched. Good thing our cameras are waterproof.
Yeah, totally. They're not, they're soaked. If you brought a stroller, you'll find it here in the stroller parking. If you're hungry, you're in luck. They have burgers and fries. A cheeseburger will run you about $9 and fries are $5 for a side. If you're wanting a souvenir, they also have some shopping.
The amazing power of the Niagara Falls when you're right up and close is crazy. You can barely see anything. I had to wear my glasses for like a windshield.
I couldn't see out of my glasses, so I took them off because I was covered in water. It was like being in a rainstorm with broken windshield wipers. Yeah,
it was pretty phenomenal. If you come here, that's definitely a must-do as well. It was a ton of fun.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed going on the voyage to the falls with us on the Hornblower. We had a great time. We were absolutely soaked. The ponchos did help. But I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with us on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.